Most people don't question the world they wake up in, but not you. You saw something, felt something. A glitch, a gap, a whisper. Welcome to Quantum Cracks. Tonight, we open the file on the Black Knight satellite theory.
Today we're diving into the Black Knight satellite theory. The origins of this conspiracy theory can be traced back to the 1950s and 60s. During the height of the space race, both American and Soviet radar systems reportedly detected an unidentified object in polar orbit, a feat that no human-made satellite had achieved at that time. This anomaly sparked curiosity and speculation among space enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists alike. Adding fuel to the mystery, reports emerged of strange radio signals received from space as early as the 1890s. Nikola Tesla, the renowned inventor and electrical engineer, claimed to have detected such signals, leading some to believe they originated from this enigmatic satellite. However, it's important to note that radio technology was in its infancy at that time, and natural phenomena or terrestrial sources could easily have been misinterpreted. The conspiracy gained significant traction in 1998 when a photograph taken by the Space Shuttle Endeavour during the STS-88 mission captured a peculiar, dark object floating in space. NASA promptly explained that the object was a piece of thermal insulation that had broken off during the mission. However, conspiracy theorists were quick to dismiss this explanation, claiming it was visual proof of the elusive Black Knight satellite. Proponents of the theory argue that the Black Knight is a non-human probe, possibly sent by an advanced alien civilization to monitor Earth's development. They draw parallels to our own space exploration efforts, suggesting that just as we send spacecraft to observe distant planets, an extraterrestrial race might have done the same to us. This idea taps into the human fascination with the possibility of contact with advanced beings, potentially predating recorded history. However, a rational examination of the evidence reveals significant flaws in this theory. Firstly, the lack of consistent, verifiable data is a major issue. If such a large object had been orbiting Earth for thousands of years, it would have been detected and tracked by numerous space agencies and amateur astronomers. The fact that no such consistent observations exist is a strong indicator that the Black Knight satellite, as described by conspiracy theorists, does not exist. Furthermore, the technological implications of such a satellite are problematic. For a spacecraft to maintain orbit for thousands of years would require incredibly advanced technology, far beyond our current capabilities. It would need to be able to avoid or withstand collisions with space debris, adjust its orbit to compensate for gravitational influences, and have an inexhaustible power source. While not impossible, the likelihood of such technology existing and remaining undetected by our increasingly sophisticated space observation equipment is extremely low. It's interesting to think about, right? While we might brush off the idea of advanced alien civilizations based on what we know about the universe, who's to say they don't exist? They could have some seriously advanced tech that we can't even imagine. For instance, they might have miniaturization technology, making their satellites so tiny that our telescopes can't spot them. Or maybe they've figured out some kind of cloaking tech that makes their crafts invisible to us. How wild is that? The misinterpretation of natural phenomena and space debris as evidence of the Black Knight satellite is a common thread in this conspiracy. For instance, the strange radio signals detected by Tesla and others could be explained by various natural sources, such as pulsars, which were unknown at the time. Similarly, the object photographed during the STS-88 mission has been conclusively identified as a thermal blanket, lost during extravehicular activity. It's also worth considering the psychological factors that contribute to the persistence of this conspiracy theory. Humans have a natural tendency to seek patterns and meaning, even where none exist. This, combined with a fascination for the unknown and a distrust of official explanations, creates fertile ground for conspiracy theories to take root and flourish. The endurance of the Black Knight satellite theory in popular culture is testament to its captivating nature. It combines elements of space exploration, ancient alien theories, and Cold War intrigue into a compelling narrative. However, it's crucial to approach such theories with a critical and scientific mindset. In conclusion, while the idea of an ancient alien satellite monitoring Earth is undeniably intriguing, the lack of concrete evidence and the abundance of more plausible explanations for the observed phenomena lead a rational scientist to dismiss the Black Knight satellite theory. The mystery surrounding this alleged object serves as a reminder of the importance of critical thinking and the need for verifiable evidence in scientific inquiry. As our understanding of space and our technological capabilities continue to advance, it's likely that more unusual phenomena will be observed and potentially misinterpreted. It's the job of scientists and rational thinkers to approach these discoveries with an open but critical mind, seeking verifiable explanations rather than jumping to extraordinary conclusions. The Black Knight satellite theory, while captivating, ultimately falls into the category of interesting speculation rather than scientific fact. It serves as a valuable lesson in the importance of distinguishing between evidence-based conclusions and imaginative storytelling. As we continue to explore the cosmos and unravel its mysteries, it's crucial to maintain a balance between wonder and skepticism, always striving for the truth, no matter how mundane it may be compared to the exciting alternatives proposed by conspiracy theories. A scientist examining the Black Knight satellite theory with reason would conclude that there is not enough evidence to support its existence. The notion of an ancient extraterrestrial spacecraft orbiting Earth for thousands of years is intriguing, but lacks substantial proof. While it's important to maintain an open mind about the possibilities of extraterrestrial life in advanced civilizations, it's equally crucial to approach such claims with critical thinking and scientific skepticism. The Black Knight satellite theory, while intriguing, falls into the category of unproven conspiracy theories rather than scientific hypotheses. In conclusion, a scientist examining the evidence would likely determine that the Black Knight satellite theory is a product of misinterpretation, coincidence, and imaginative speculation rather than a genuine, unexplained phenomenon. The lack of consistent, verifiable evidence and the availability of more plausible explanations for the observations attributed to the Black Knight make it difficult to accept the theory as credible. This doesn't mean that the search for extraterrestrial intelligence should be abandoned. On the contrary, scientific efforts like the search for extraterrestrial intelligence continue to scan the cosmos for signs of alien life. Using rigorous methodologies and advanced technologies, these efforts represent the proper scientific approach to investigating the possibility of extraterrestrial life. The Black Knight satellite theory serves as a reminder of the importance of critical thinking and the scientific method in evaluating extraordinary claims. While the idea of an ancient alien satellite observing Earth is undeniably fascinating, evidence simply doesn't support its existence. As Carl Sagan famously said, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. In the case of the Black Knight satellite, that extraordinary evidence is conspicuously absent. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to our channel. And leave a comment below on your thoughts about this theory.